Thank you for choosing to learn about two features in Google Docs that are sometimes overlooked: drop-down menus and checklists. I'm Megan Hoffman, a Technology Integration Specialist with SWWC. In this video, we will look at how to create both a drop-down menu and a checklist in Google Docs. This is a look at an example product that uses drop-down menus and checklists. We will replicate this group project managing tool as an example. In this example, I have a 4x5 table to organize the different categories of information. I will set the table up and then create the drop-down menus and the checklists. I set this up so that the students can select who will do each role within their group. The tasks show what each role is expected to do, and then the students can select how they felt doing their roles. To create the first drop-down menu, the students' names, I open the Insert menu and select Drop-Down. Then I enter the choices for the students and format the choices. I can name the drop-down menu and change the colors for the choices. Here I will make the background color black for Charlie, royal blue for Lucy, light blue for Linus, and red for Snoopy. Then I click Save. I can change the size of the font by highlighting the drop-down menu and clicking the plus sign next to the font size. To add the drop-down menu to the other cells of the table, I can highlight the drop-down menu, copy it, and paste it into the other cells. Or I can open the Insert menu, select Drop-Down, and select the name of the drop-down menu I just created. The checklist in this example is a simple to-do list. I typed in my list of tasks for each role, highlighted the lists, and clicked the checklist button in the top toolbar, next to the bullet point list button. The checklist is handy because when I click in the box, a checkmark appears and the list item is crossed out. This helps me to know what items are complete. The drop-down menu in the check-in column is created the same way as the one in the student column. The only difference is that I have added an emoji in the options. To add an emoji, right-click in the option field and select Emoji. Here is an explanation of how to create the drop-down menus and checklists, as well as a short list of ideas for their uses. I hope this sparks your imagination to find ways to use these features for yourself and your students to enhance creativity and collaboration. You can also view other tutorials from the SWWC Technology Integration team on YouTube. Thank you again for watching today.